My name is Tejas Prajapati and my student number is 2255320034, and today I'll be presenting my data science analysis of YouTube videos focusing on the climate change coverage by the major news publishers. And before I start presentation, I would love to give you the overview of the task in which I have first performed the analysis of YouTube videos about the climate change published by four major news channels, which are Fox News, BBC News, CNN, and MSNBC, over a 3-year period from January 1, 2021 to January 1, 2024. And the main objective of this analysis is to collect and clean the YouTube videos and comments data using the API. Also the analyze the engagement patterns across the different news publishers, and at last identify which videos and comments generated the most audience interactions. So in total, I collected 175 videos and over 41,000 comments, providing information of how major news organizations cover climate change and how their audience responds. So moving further, first I have set up the collection parameters, which are these ones, which includes the topic, keywords, channels, and then maximum videos per channels. So I have used like YouTube data API version 3 to collect the data programmatically, and this process involves like major three things. So I've created three functions. First is search videos. It will just basically search your videos, and it will store the videos ID into this variable. Then with this help of video ID, we have created also another function which is called the video details. So with the help of video ID, this will give us the um, all the video details such as video ID, channels, video titles, channel titles, category, and all that. And at last we have created the third function which will give us the videos comments. Now for the data cleaning, I have performed few functions in which I have created a function called clean data, which will clean the YouTube data such as disabled comments, also some missing values in the optional fields. It will ensure that the view counts were greater than zeros to avoid the division errors into the ratio calculations. And I also converted the timestamp formats to the standard data times objects, and then I have simply called out those functions that we have created above, such as the video details, the video comment, and this will store the data into the video.csv, and then and then comment.csv, and it will create this two new files, and we can call these two files using these variables. And you can see we have this comment.csv thing which will store all the comments, and we have this video.csv which will also stores the video details. Moving further to the analyze and the video comments, so we have chosen two questions and we have answered that. First question says that what is the total number of views like, and we have to create those the visualization of those comparing these three things. So we have write the code here, and these are the comparisons by the visualizations. First is for the total views by the news channels, and second one is the total likes by the news channels, and third one is the total comments for the news channels. So, and I did exactly same for these three things. And for the observation of these threes, I think the relationship between the views, likes, and comments is not perfectly linear, because the total likes subplot shows that the higher view counts generally correspond to the more likes, but the ratio varies by channel. So this indicates that the engagement is influenced not just by the exposure but by the how viewers respond to the current content itself. So moving to the second question, we have to uh, print out the top 5 videos with the highest ratios of likes to views. So I've written the code here, and these are the top 5 like to views ratio. For the observation of this, I think that the top 5 videos demonstrate that how stronger audience engagement compared to the dataset average, because the videos received a high proportion of likes relative to their view counts, which show that the viewers respond very positively rather than consuming the content passively. Also, the videos with the highest engagement ratio were not necessarily those with the highest total views, because you can see that we have the view count 1,72,043 views, but not the highest in the data set, but achieve the best engagement ratio. Moving to the part 2 of the answer of the questions, we have to print out the top 10 comments with the most replies, and for each comment display the channel titles, comment, and all sort of things. So first we have just check out the what columns we do have, and with the help of that we have created a whole program for this. So for the observation of this says that the top 10 comments with the most replies really reveals patterns of higher view engagement. Also, we can see that the presence of multiple comments tied at the 5 replies suggests that represent that relatively high level of engagement for individual comments in the data sets. This also suggests that the comment sections on the climate change news functions as active discussion forums where the new users challenge different viewpoints rather than simply reacting to the content. So at the last, during this project I encountered several challenges that I like to share. Firstly is that the YouTube data API has a quota of 10,000 units per day, and with 4 channels and up to 50 videos each plus comments, so I needed to carefully manage the API calls. So what I did is I implemented an appropriate delays between requests, such as like I have did the 0.5 second delays. Also I did batch the videos details request into the group of 15. So if you can see here, so it will just process first only 10 videos, then 20, then 30, then 40, and then 50. I have also give the 0.5 seconds delays. Another challenge I faced is that the disabled comments. Without cleaning the data, I have faced an error, because in the Fox news they have 2 videos that have the comments disabled. So while cleaning that, without the help of cleaning function, I encountered an error with that. So after the cleaning function, it fixed. And that's all for the task. Thank you.